What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I'm here in Five Below and I just finished going live. So if you guys missed that live stream, go ahead and click up here. But it is now Camp Five Below season and they are ready with all the fun things, the hammocks, the towels, the pool toys, the beach toys, the summer toys, everything for the pool, from like goggles to the water bombs, to the floaties, the umbrellas, the pool noodles, everything, you guys. So you definitely want to come into your Five Below because they have a lot to offer and everything is super affordable. So again, if you guys missed the live stream, definitely check it out because I showed everything up here in the new and now section. You guys definitely don't want to miss it. But let's go ahead and look down this aisle because you guys really love it when I show decor, both room decor and home decor. So let's go ahead and look at some new $5 lighting that they have. They have the Edison bulbs, and also in the clear, they have the little globe lights in the kind of frosted and in the clear. They have the cute little lantern lights. Let's see if these are glass or plastic. I think these ones are plastic. They also have the solar fairy string lights. Now you don't get the container, but they do sell the containers here as well. And then they have a nice big 10-pack of the lantern string lights. And then they also have it in this really pretty soft pink. I've been seeing these everywhere and I think that they're definitely the cheapest here. These are the cute little LED lanterns. I think this is the tester. This is what it looks like. They're super cute and just $5. Now, if you watch the live stream, you guys probably remember seeing this, but you guys know how I feel about Cactus. Therefore, I have to show it again. These are some super huge Cactus drink holders. Perfect for parties or if you want to have a big nice drink in your fridge and then you just pop the dispenser out of the inside and attach it here, and they are really nice. I bought one like a week or two before these came out. You guys know I would have chosen the Cactus, but I like my little one that I have. It holds a gallon's worth and I think this holds probably a gallon and a half. So I might have to get that one at some point. And then these are little citronella candles. And I think they're $5. Yeah, these are also $5. And these are the little outdoor festival blankets. And they have the cute little handle. They even have torch fuel here for $5. And look, you guys, little cute cactus torches. These are definitely new this week with the double shades of green. Has a little chain here. I guess you can just take the lid off and then it will just kind of hang along the side. They're calling them cactus table torches. They're pretty cute. And then they have the cute glass globes. It hangs by a little rope. If you guys like cactus, or if you want to make your own little terrarium, I think that's a nice price. This is the one I have for $5. I don't use the stand though. I took it off the stand and I just set it on the shelf in the refrigerator. And then I added these down here for $5, these plastic party tubs, but I think you could probably use them as a laundry basket if you're interested in having a nice laundry basket with handles. I have a super big one like that at home and it has handles and I really like it. Okay, I want to see what's new. Let's just go through tech really quick. So I can just remind you what they have over here. A dual USB wall charger. They have a charging pad. This comes in a few different little colors. They have some more dual USB wall chargers. This one's really nice. It says for a tablet and a phone, and it has a power outlet. If you guys need any sort of like charging cords, phone cases, any sort of cables or cords, I would start here because they have the Type-C cables, they have the adapters, they have the lightning cables for just $5. The 3 feet, the 10 feet, and the 6 feet. They have stylus. Maybe you have super long nails and a stylus works well for you. My thumbnails are getting really long. It's getting kind of hard to type on my phone. They have an audio splitter. This is new. 5 ports, listen with your friends. A selfie LED light set. They have some new tablet cases. And even some glow-in-the-dark headphones. Yeah, we haven't looked at tech for a while. I like all the accessories that they have. They have some little wireless mice for $5. A webcam blocker. They're just like little tabs that you put over your camera. Selfie sticks, Apple compatible accessories, Apple Watch stands. These fit the series 1, 2, and 3. This might be new. Moonlight, 360 rotating, does it say cob? 200 lumens. Adjust to your needs. A puck light. It has a big suction cup. Let's see if we can try one. They're not turning on. They probably have the little tab in there that you have to pull out. And they have some really pretty options over here. Decorative prints on some of the headphones. This one's new. Birdy really likes her wireless earbuds from here. You guys have been asking about blankets, little throw blankets, and I'm not sure if they have anything new. This little cotton throw might be new. Feels like you get a lot of blanket for $5. I love the peach one. It's so cute. These blankets are kind of lightweight, but not totally just like super thin. And they wash well and they dry well. And all of the ones that I have from here are lasting really well. Oh, look at this. This is the Mermaid blanket tail. I think Five Below was the first one to come up with these years ago. Let's see, any new pillows? A lot of their pillows were on clearance last week. Oh, look at this one. This is so cushy, little sloth. Oh, they have some more Mermaid cozies over here. There was a couple of you in my live stream that wanted to see some new rugs. I think this one might be new. Striped shag rug. And I think the purple's new too. Oh, all of these I think are new. It feels like dryer sheets. That's what it feels like. It's really, really soft. I think these are new also. The blue, the tan, and the pink. And then these little ones. It's supposed to be shaped like a little bear. Those are so cute. And then they have these big ones up here. 36 by 60 inches. These are huge. Okay, you guys, last but not least, let's see if we have any new makeup this week. It looks like some of the Wet n Wild mascaras are sold out, but all the other ones are in stock. Okay, looking for new stuff. This is definitely new. There's never too much highlighter. That glow though, this is a liquid highlighter. It has sort of an iridescent shine to it. Let's see if we have any new palettes over here. You're the highlight to my contour. I think I saw this one a couple weeks ago. This one is not going to throw me off. Those of you that are super regular on my channel, you guys know that I always get thrown off by that light raised palette. I always think it's new, but it's not. You Glow Girl, I think this one is sealed. Is it sealed? I think so. Glitter and Glow eyeshadow set for $5. And I know I've been showing you guys these end caps a lot, but they have two other end caps. They have this festival end cap where they have lots of new palettes everywhere and new lippies. I came across this one last week and I'm kind of in love with it. I haven't purchased it yet, but I think it's super, super pretty. That's the Lip Wonderland Nudes. And then we also have this end cap over here. This one is called Eyelights. Liquid eyeshadow. Eyelights, and then the colored mascara, and the liquid eyeliner. Oh, these ones are new. These are definitely new. Look at this. It has little like crystals inside. You get 4 pieces for $5. And then they have a couple palettes down here. We'll end off right here with something cute that I just came across for $1. It is some little pineapple Band-Aids, and it feels like it's kind of like a 3D sticker. It kind of pops out. So this is the actual Band-Aid that you get for all those pineapple lovers. I think this is super cute. I am tempted to get some of those, and you get 24 in a box for just $1. And then you guys don't forget about these beauty grab bags. They're just $1 each. You guys will be so satisfied. I love everything that I've gotten in mine. Well, hey you guys, if you enjoyed today's video, please show me that you did by hitting the thumbs up button. Share with me down below in the comments. And if you haven't yet, hit that little button to subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.